Well, good morning, or ohayo gozaimasu, as they say. Yuka is grinding coffee. Yuka forces her to grind coffee.
Smells nice.
Yeah. You can't beat freshly ground coffee.
I grind your ass to the dog meat, you bastard. Damn you.
Thank you very much.
Brilliant.
Good morning.
Good morning. Almost.
Filthy animal.
Filthy animal. Really primitive people.
Who are they calling a filthy animal?
Are you filthy animal?
No! I put your photo on Facebook
Yeah.
Oh,
and I got some comment. Someone asked the question, why do you do that?
Bui.
Why?
peace sign. What?
Peace sign.
Yeah.
American peace
これ
sign.
なんで捨ててんのよ。
Well, look at this magnificent feast we're about to eat. Yuko
Oh, over there, please.
taught them how to cook it. Well, today we've come to iFly. Our visitors are going to fly today. Where are they? There they are. I'm going to fly with them too. All right, let's go.
Oh,
Well, we've checked in and we've done all the paperwork, signed the waivers, just in case we die or something. At the moment, it's not busy. There's no one in there in the tunnel at the moment. But we got 20 minutes to wait before we start our training. Yuka is checking the tunnel. She thinks it's a bit scary. You'll be standing. Well, you won't really be standing on this, but if you drop, you'll land on this net. So don't worry. It's time to eat wagyu.
love you.
Wagyu.
和牛。
It says wagyu.
和牛味見してみて。
Filthy animal
あの、
is in Wagyu.
ちょっと味見させてあげて。
Very good. She's taken my wagyu. She just took it. She's taking more. Look at that.
Don't worry.
It's an outrage.
ちょっと手伝お皿ちょうだい。
She's giving it away.
美味しいよ。
She dropped it. You see, we're just walking up to the Opera House, and this building here is very famous. It's called the Toaster, and it blocks the view of the Opera House from Circular Quay, and lots of rich bastards live there. And I told Yuka that Russell Crowe lives there.
I love him.
She loves him. So she wants to go and say hello.
Yes.
Shall we go and say hello?
Hello.
He might not be home. He's probably got another house in America as well. He's probably got houses everywhere. He's a rich bastard. Bridge, Opera House. Bridge, Opera House. Japanese tourists. We're now climbing the front steps of the Opera House. There's Kana.
This is Opera House, and this is Kana.
Kana, yep.
And Opera House.
Yep. And that part there is, that's a restaurant. that one.
Restaurant?
Yeah, that's just a little sail. It's the restaurant. Well, here's the main bit. And the other main bit. Let's have a look at the tiles. See what they're like. I'll go and have a look at the tiles here. So here they are. It's just just basically bathroom tiles. They don't look that good, really. Can't go past this point. Security. Well, there's fireworks suddenly. We don't know why. Taking pictures. They're taking pictures. Freaked them out. Was unexpected. Was unexpected.